Hi guys, welcome to Simplifying Tech. So in today's session, we are going to check how we can download and install Play Store apps into laptop or personal computer. So basically mobile apps, how we can install into our personal computers, or lots of games that we want to play from a personal computer, but that is available for mobile version only. So in that case, we can install Play Store into our desktop, and we can use different platforms in order to run your mobile application into Windows system. So in this video, we are going to check the method using emulators. So what is emulator? Emulator is you can say a clone of your mobile interface where you can able to run mobile applications, but its platform will be Windows 1. So it will just give environment in order to run your applications. So there are multiple ways in order to run your mobile application into your Windows computer. So you can use Chrome extensions in order to run your mobile application into Windows. Also you can use BlueStacks applications on Windows in order to run your mobile application directly, but it has some disadvantages, like suppose some applications are available into your mobile, but it is not available into this BlueStacks or extension platform, or some of the games you are not able to search into BlueStacks platform or extension platform, but that you want in your desktop computer. Or say some mobile applications are blocked into your region, so that you unable to install into your mobile. So how to get it installed on your Windows environment with the help of emulator. So here, like, emulator is the best way. So just you need to obtain your APK file of your desired applications or games, and that you can able to install via this platform we are going to discuss. So let's get started. So in the agenda today, so first we will see how we can install Play Store on Windows system, then how we can download the applications that we need to require to run in APK format, then how we can set up the emulator part, and how we can configure the applications into emulator, and how we can install and configure applications into emulator or your Windows system. So let's get started. So we are starting with first how we can install Play Store on Windows. So go to your favorite browser, and you have to be logged in into your Google account. So you can locate these dots. There are 9 dots. So click on these 9 dots, and you can able to see all Google applications are listed here. So we have to go to Play Store. So click on this Play. So you can able to see the Play Store applications here. So now we need this into our Windows subsystem. So if you can able to see on the right top corner, so you can able to see 3 dots. So click on these 3 dots and directly go to Save and Share. So this is the option where we can create the shortcut. Let's click on Create Shortcut. Okay, Android apps on Google Play. So let's click on Create. Okay, so in desktop it is created. So let's go here. So you can see this Android apps on Google Play. So that is installed into your Windows system. So double click on this. So now still it's opening into browser. So if you can able to see this open with Android apps on Google Play. So let's click on this open, and you can see this is our application. Let's close the browser. Okay, so you can see this Windows dialog box in order to visualize your applications on your mobile or Play Store. So this way we can able to install Play Store on Windows. Now going to second step. So that is how to download the applications. So for that, go to your favorite browser again and type apk pure. We have to go to apkpure.net. So click on this. Yeah, so we are landed into APK Pure homepage. So here you can see we can download the installer that we require to run on our emulator. Now how to download the apps? So just we have to go here into our Android apps on Google Play and search for your desired application. So for example, I am selecting this Telegram, this social networking platform that we will see how we can install by using this method. So go to this Telegram and right click on Telegram and say copy link address, then minimize this and go to this APK Pure, and here you can just input the link. So in short, whatever application or game you are looking for, so you just need to copy that URL from your Play Store and just paste it here. So click on search. Okay, so you can see download APK option is there for Telegram. Click on this. So go to below and you can see this is a green square, that is a download APK 74 MB. So just click on download. Okay, so our Telegram download APK download is started. Okay, so our Telegram APK pure.apk that is downloaded. Now moving to next step, how we can set up emulator. So for this, again go to your browser and there is an emulator named as a Smart Gaga. So you can write Smart Gaga emulator download. So if you can able to see this blue colored swan icon, so it is the correct one. So you can see Smart Gaga download for PC. Just click on this. Okay, so go below. So if you can see this is the platform which provides the emulator. So we have to download the latest version of this emulator, that is 7.1.2 Nougat. So click on this. Okay, so this downloading is started. So it is a 287 MB. So it will take time as per your internet speed. So let's wait till download. Okay, so our Smart Gaga emulator setup is downloaded. So you can see this setup Android, that is .exe. So if you can able to see this blue swan icon, just double click on this in order to start the installation of emulator. So it is welcome to Smart Gaga setup. So click on next, click on I agree and choose the destination folder and let's say install. So our Smart Gaga setup is completed. So run Smart Gaga. So keep this selected and let's say finish. So if you can able to see, this Smart Gaga is setting up. Okay, so our Smart Gaga emulator is ready. So if you can able to see, so there are currently no applications are installed here. So what we have to do, so in the right hand side, so if you can able to see, there are different options. So option number 3 from top, you have to select this APK. So click on this APK and it is asking where your APKs are located. So it is located into this folder. So just here into file name, so just I have to name it. So I will name it Telegram. So you can see this is listed here. So Telegram pure APK, and let's say open in order to install this APK into our emulator. So click on open. Okay, so if you can able to see, this Telegram icon is visible now. So that means it is Telegram is installed into your Smart Gaga emulator. So double click on this. Okay, so now it is successfully asking like to start messaging. Click on yes. Okay, so now it is asking for your mobile number and everything in order to configure your Telegram profile. Okay, so this way we can install one of the application Telegram. So I have one more application that is downloaded. So that is a calculator application. So I will type calculator. So you can see this .apk file is already present. So it is listed here. So just click on this and let's say open. So now this calculator is getting installed. It is already installed. So double click on this. So you can see the full-fledged calculator is installed on our emulator. So you can make use of calculators. So like this, we can able to install our applications like Telegram calculator onto our Windows subsystem or part of Windows system, that is an emulator. Suppose you want to install some games and you want to install some applications that are not supported in your region. So that also you can download and deploy in this method. Okay, so in further sessions, so we are exploring what is the BlueStacks and how we can use the Chrome extensions in order to install our mobile applications. So stay tuned for further interesting sessions, and thanks a lot for watching.